increase your subscriber? I have a top 5 list, and on my list number 5 I have ytbpulse.com, and it's a free platform where you will get to increase your subscriber by 10. For this you will need to do is log in with making ID and YTB Pulse, and you will need to have a registered ID. After that you will log in and you will get to the dashboard. Here on this dashboard you can see various channel names, plans and subscriber, and you have not started any plan or channel, please start one. It will prompt a message and you will need to insert the channel on channel menu. By adding channel you will get your channel name here and your plan will be selected. You will need to select a free plan, and for that you will need to subscribe 10 others people and you will get 10 in return. Here I am showing you a small demo on which I will subscribe 1%, and on after subscribing 10% I will get 10% in return. The scam that I am gonna reveal here is if the person who is also doing in this channel, if he is genuine, then you will need to subscribe his, or that I mean to say that if he has purchased subscriber from here with cash, then you will need to subscribe his channel. Other you can just click on that subscribe button and confirm. Here I have seen I have confirmed, but it says a red button and you have not subscribed. It will prompt, and that is because he has purchased the service. And those who are free using this, if you click on subscribe and do not subscribe them and confirm that the account will decrease to 9. You can clearly see the demo which I am showing you on the screen. Now in the same way, if you subscribe for 20 people, you will get 10 in return. But remember one thing, it is a scam, because after 24 hours or after some time later, those subscribers who have subscribed you may unsubscribe you for forever, and it may not result in increasing your subscriber for long term. Okay, let's move to countdown number 4, and in my countdown number 4 I have subpulse.com, and it is also the same platform where you will need to subscribe 20% and in return you will get 10%. And in this you will need to like their videos also. As you can see, I have my channel name, and I'm putting my channel name here. And after that, you will need to go to a free subscriber option. Then you will need to subscribe 20 more others and like their videos and move on. As uh, as before, it is also a scam, because after you subscribe for 20 others, it may not result in better, because they may unsubscribe you after some time, and it is also a scam. And it has also got the same bottom. If you click there and if you subscribe and do not subscribe that channel and confirm that, then you will also move forward with this. And here's a demo what I'm saying, and I'm showing you the same thing over here.
We help with the consulting package.
Okay, on my countdown number 3, I have a website SMGS. It is a platform where you will need to purchase the service, and with you can purchase the service using your credit card or Bitcoin or such movements. And first of all, here also you will need to log in here and make ID, and you can clearly see in this dashboard that what services you have purchased, how many you have deposited, and what you have gained. And it is here nothing is free. You will need to purchase all things. Now let's move to a quick demo and what services it has offered and what is the cost of each. I will gonna show you. Okay, on my countdown number two, I have, as you can see, we have all these scams on the YouTube that are asking for you to free subscribe, but they do not offer you. And I'm gonna show you how to increase your subscriber in real and genuine way. It is not a scam. It is the correct procedure and correct way to increase your subscriber. Watch a demo. Here I'm gonna give you a small link. Basically what the link does is, after someone clicks over that links, it will automatically prompt for subscribe or cancel. As you can see, I will give a small demo here, and I will be using a new ID, and what you're gonna see is that will prompt for you to subscribe or exit. And the link or that I am using here, I will be sharing in my description box, and you can clearly see here in the middle I have my YouTube channel name. The name is the name that I have got from 100 subscriber, and you can basically edit that and use your channel ID also. Now let's look at a quick demo. Now, in my top number one list, I have a small notepad written text, and it is gonna show you how to genuinely increase your subscriber. And I have a small community where people will subscribe you for free and genuine, and in return, you will need to subscribe mine as well. And it's a genuine community. You will have no risk that they will unsubscribe you. That is because at first we have started a paying service, and for that, after getting a 50 subscriber, you'll need to pay $5. But as I'm growing my YouTube channel and started using it, and I have my genuine subscriber here, for that I have service for 5 is to 5, 10 is to 10, 15 is to 15, 20 is to 20. You need to do is subscribe my channel. In return, how many you'll subscribe, you'll need to send a screenshot using my email, and you will get that much amount of genuine subscriber in return. And let's look at the notepad completely.